Hello students! Kamusta kayo? I hope maayos naman. So this video, I'm going to talk about the the discussion or the more profound discussion of the word problem that involves LCM and GCF. The concept of the application of LCM and GCF in real life context is that two have different use. So si LCM, gagamitin mo siya in a given situation at iba rin naman yung sitwasyon kapag GCF yung gagamitin. So now, yun yung i-discuss ko sa inyo. Paano ba natin malalaman o how we can easily identify if we're going to use LCM or GCF. Okay, and that is the essence of this discussion. Okay, so I want to give you the keywords that once you read it on the problem, you can now say, okay, I will use LCM. Okay, I will use GCF. So that's my goal. Okay, for what are those keywords that will signal to you on that you will use LCM? So these are the following words: the smallest, minimum, first, least, next, repeated over and over, multiple items, when both will meet again, when both will be equal. And those are the keywords. So you can I'm not saying that you can actually read the exact words, but the synonymous words of these words. Okay? So how about the GCF naman? So the GCF or the keywords that will signal to you to use the GCF are greatest, largest, maximum, dividing something, cutting something in pieces, and divide equally. So, what in a summary, in simple word, one to use LCM. So, if it's about how long it is before things coincide or happen again, then use LCM. So, commonly, the problem that involves LCM is the situation is that kailan sila mauulit sasabay, kailan sila mangyayari ulit na magkasama. Commonly, that's the problem in LCM. So kapag GCF naman, if the question is about dividing something, then you need the GCF. Ayan, magdi-divide ka naman ng certain things at kailangan equal sila, GCF ang hahanapin nyo doon. So, I hope it is clear. Okay? Kapag LCM, magkakasabay sila, kailan sila magkakasabay uli. Kapag GCF naman, i-divide natin sila equally. So, that's the concept, the simple concept of using LCM and GCF in real-life problem. Okay, let's have the first example. A lighthouse's light flashes every 32 seconds, while a nearby harbor bell rings every 12 seconds. If they both signal at the same time now, after how many seconds will they signal together again? Okay, from this example, we can see na what is the keywords, and that is they signal together again. Kailan magkakasabay ngayon? Si lighthouse light at si harbor bell. So, kapag ganito na, ayun na, they will signal together again, and that means we're going to use the LCM. So, ngayon, nahanap ka na ngayon ng LCM ng ating dalawang numbers. So, we have 32 and 12. So, this time, I will use the long division because this is the most convenient on my part. So, it's up to you kung anong gagamitin. If you're going the prime factorization, direct, or the prime factorization Venn diagram, it's up to you. Okay? So, now, I will thinking of a number that can divide 32 and 12, and that is 4. 32 divided by 4 is 8, and 12 divided by 4 is 3. 8 and 3 has no common factor, so therefore I am done. So, in looking for the LCM, I am just going to multiply the numbers on the left side and the bottom part. So, I have 4 times 8 times 3, and that is 96. So, therefore, it is not the two lighthouses. The lighthouse and the harbor will signal at the same time again after 96 seconds. That's it. That's how we simply apply the LCM to answer that problem. Okay, let's now have this second example. A school has 72 pencils and 96 erasers to distribute equally among students without any leftovers. What is the maximum number of students who can receive an equal number of both pencils and erasers? Ayan. So, in this problem, I have two keywords. The first is distribute equally. No? And the second one, maximum number. O, ayan. So, ano nga to? Saan papasok itong gantong mga keywords? Papasok yan kay GCF. Because I am going to divide it. I'm going to find its maximum number. So, therefore, the concept of the GCF ang gagamitin ko ngayon. So, again, I will now look for the GCF of 72 and 96 and I will use the long division. So, 72 and 96 are both divisible by 3. 72 divided by 3 is 24 and 96 divided by 3 is 32. 24 and 32, they still have a common factor and that is 8. And 24 divided by 8 is 3 and 32 divided by 8 is 4. And 3 is 4 have no other factor than 1. So therefore, I'm now going to look for the GCF. So if I'm going to look for the GCF, I'm just multiplying the product of the factors on the left side and that is 3 and 8. And 3 times 8 is 24. So now therefore I conclude that there will be 24 students who can receive an equal number of both pencils and erasers. That is example number 2. Next, let's have another example number 3. A bakery makes chocolate chip cookies every 4 days and oatmeal raisin cookies every 6 days. If both types of cookies were made today, after how many days will they be made on the same day again? So, again, let's identify the keywords. Yes, we have this phrase, they be made on the same day again. Kailan sila uli gagawin ng magkasabay? Again, kapag ganito ang ating keywords, ang gagamitin natin is LCM. That's it. So, ayan. So again, I'm going to use the long division. The factor that can easily divide 4 and 6 is 2. So 4 divided by 2 is 2 and 6 divided by 2 is 3. 2 and 3 have no common factors, so therefore I am done. And when I am looking for the LCM, I'm just going to multiply the factors on the left side and at the bottom. So I will have 2 times 2 times 3 and that is 12. So therefore, my answer, both cookies will be made on the same day again after 12 days. That's it. Easy peasy, right? Okay, for the last number, we have example number 4. A florist wants to create bouquets using all of her 48 roses and 60 carnations. If each bouquet must have the same number of roses and the same number of carnations, what is the maximum number of bouquets she can make? Again, let's identify the keywords for this problem. Yes, we have the maximum number. Okay, again, you're going to divide how many roses and carnation you are going to use in each bouquet and how many bouquet are you going to make out of those number of roses and carnations. So therefore, we will use the GCF. That's it. So again, 90 and 60, long division. So 90 and 60 are both divisible by 30. 90 divided by 30 is 3 and 60 divided by 30 is 2. 3 and 2 are already prime numbers, so therefore they have no factors other than 1. So for me to look for the GCF, I'm just going to look on the left side and I only have 30, so therefore the GCF is 30. So therefore I conclude that the maximum number of bouquets you can make is 30 bouquets. So that's it. That's how we deal with word problem that involve LCM and GCF concept. So I hope it will help you in on your midterm examination. So kung congratulations again. Good luck. Okay, good luck and galingan mga anak. I know na kayang-kaya nyo to and mag-pray, mag-review. Okay? Bye!